let's kickstart the awards with the Southeast Asia region. I'm going to now request my colleague Chris Delgado to take it over.
Thank you so much, Arti. On behalf of the Wadhwani Foundation Southeast Asia team, I have the honor to recognize in awards our faculty awardees for Southeast Asia. For the Gold Awards, congratulations, Engineer Jeneline G. Nicolas from Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila. She's a results-driven professional with repeated success in computer-related projects. Congratulations, Dr. Pamela Go from De La Salle College of St. Benilde, an experienced startup consultant and a travel training and IoT technology entrepreneur. Our third faculty gold awardee, Professor Carla Messina from De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Congratulations, Carla. We have Professor Cyril Ann Rafael from Rizal Technological University from the Philippines. Our fifth gold awardee from the Philippines, we have Professor Marian C. Estrada from Rizal Technological University, Philippines. Our sixth gold awardee is Professor Nor Amelina Yusrin from Pradita University, Indonesia. Our seventh faculty awardee for the gold, congratulations, Engineer Jennifer Enriquez from Technological Institute of the Philippines, Manila campus. And last but not the least, gold faculty awardee, we have Professor Lorena Valerio from De La Salle College of St. Benilde, Philippines. Congratulations to all our gold awardees for the faculty category. We would like also to recognize our silver awardees, and we are hoping and praying that by the next semester, you would advance to the gold award. No? So from Indonesia, we have Professor Tigo Prasetyo. From Philippines, we have Professor Regil Jan Vergara. From Indonesia, we have Professor Nauriza Biasini. So see you in the Gold Awards next year. Our next category, we would like to recognize our Global Jury Awards for Southeast Asia. First in the list for Global Jury Awardees, we have Professor Adi Idris from Trisakti University, Indonesia, an entrepreneurship educator, innovation, and technology specialist. Second, thank you so much, Dr. Wisnu Diwo Brotdu from Podomoro University, Indonesia, a transportation, banking, and retail serial entrepreneur, startup mentor, and educator. I hope we are giving your virtual applause. Next, in our awardees for our global jury, we have Professor Feriel Abadi from ISA Unggul University, Indonesia, a seasoned HR professional, educator, sociopreneur, and writer. Professor Rizali Angeles from De La Salle College of St. Benilde, an experienced educator and entrepreneurial development consultant. And last but not the list, Mr. Herwin C. from R Square Training and Consulting, Indonesia, a training and consulting specialist in digital marketing and research enthusiast. Again, warm gratitude to our global jury for spending your time with us. We would like to also recognize our silver awardees for the global jury. From Indonesia, Inko Siti Nurjana, Mr. Anton Villena from Philippines, and Dr. Pamela Go from the Philippines. May you continue to provide us with your volunteer time to certify our global startups. Our next set of awards for Southeast Asia, we would like to recognize our Institute awardees, and on behalf of the team, we are very much grateful for the following institute for providing us support and supporting the mission of Wadhwani Foundation in the Philippines and Indonesia. Thank you so much, De La Salle College of St. Benilde, Philippines, Universitas Trisakti from Indonesia, Technological Institute of the Philippines, Lyceum of the Philippines, Manila, and Rizal Technological University. We hope to continue to work with you as we paint the whole Southeast Asia red and create more startups. And thank you so much for your support. And of course, the most awaited time, our excellent awards for our student entrepreneurs for Southeast Asia. We would like to recognize the following practice ventures who made it to the top 10% across the globe. No? Just to be here and be recognized, guys, you are truly exceptional. No? So from Rizal Technological University, we have 5 teams. Tycoon Enterprise, led by Glenn Fuentes. We have 10A Ventures, led by Eleonora Certisano. We have Inotech, led by Renzo Robles. We have T-Wise Corporation, led by Delia Doblon. And we have CC Incorporated, led by Charlotte Gesta. Congratulations, Rizal Technological University Practice Ventures. Just to be here and recognize you are truly potential real ventures already. From Lyceum of the Philippines University, we have 3 practice ventures have made it to the top 10 globally. JNTE Incorporated, being led by Nicole. JDAG Food Corporation, led by Divine Reyes and team. And we have Padayon Adventures by Linus Asombrado and team. Congratulations, Lyceum of the Philippines, Dean Beth and Dr. Jo. Our next awardee from Technological Institute of the Philippines Manila campus, we have 2 ventures who made it to the top 10. Pandemic Academy or Pandicademy, led by Marisa Mercado. Aid Allies or Sagip Bracelet, led by Christine Topas and her teams. And from Technological Institute of the Philippines QC campus, we have FitDora or Ditacilla by Isa Solit and team. Again, dear student entrepreneurs, we would like to see you at the top, and congratulations, and we continue to make your ventures real ventures, and Wadhwani Foundation and your colleges and universities will continue to work with you to make that dream happen. Congratulations, and our deep gratitude for our partner institutes for Southeast Asia.